Hi guys, welcome to this review about the UM24C. That's a USB power meter. It's a pretty cool thing. It's only about $24 and you can test your power banks and a lot of things regarding the power. So I've already made an unboxing. I've been using it now for about 2 weeks and I'm pretty happy with it, except the build quality. Build quality is rather poor, but if you're careful, it shouldn't be a problem. When you take it out of the box, just push it a little bit like away from you and push it up at the same time. So because otherwise it's really difficult to take it out because of these buttons here. You see them on the side and also here. Yeah, build quality is not the very best. Hope I can show you. It's a little bit, yeah, light. It's a little bit dark. I'm having a little bit problem. So yeah, when you push this up, I hope you can see that you can easily push this thing, but I think it's just a protection plate. You can really easily lift that up, and yeah, you see it's yeah, not protected from the side and anything, so you have to be a little bit careful. There are other similar things which cost about $70 and those are really well protected, so you decide if you don't use it professionally or not on a daily basis, this is still good. So it's really easy to handle. The only complaint so far is that usually with power banks the display is on the wrong side. So like here, I can't push yeah, connect it here. I have to connect it to the other side. That's a little bit pain. Apart from that, it's really easy. It's more or less self-explaining. I mean, you really don't need instructions. So here you see there's always next. It's a little bit hard to see now. Hope I can show you. Now the power is off again. Yeah, there's a next thing. When you click here next, you can go through all the displays and also setting. With a setting you can long press, can't remember where it was, maybe here, long press, and then you go to the settings. So it's really easy. So what I want to do now is to connect it to a mobile phone, and I have here my Samsung phone and I go to the scanner. Hope you can see that, this QR scanning app. Okay, so yeah, so here we are on the scanning app. I have this thing. This is the only thing you get in the box, so I have to scan now, and then you get to this page. You open that with the web browser, and then that's the thing at the very bottom, the app. So you go to this site and you click on download and OK and open. Yeah, okay. App installed. Yeah, I had it already installed to see if it works. Hold on a second. Yeah, it's rather strange because I actually have uninstalled it. The problem is I have already tried to install it on an LG phone and that didn't work. So I was not sure if this works now with the Samsung, and with the Samsung it worked. Wow, okay, yeah, click on that, open, and then click on install and it will install the app and you can open it right away. So there's some Chinese message I don't understand. I hope it's not very important. I hope you can see the screen. Clean master, yeah, we don't need that. Still Chinese messages. It's a little bit mirroring. I hope you can see that. There's at the top, there's an Bluetooth icon. So the second from right, you have to click on that, and then you can scan for devices. Hope you can see that. Try to hold it a little bit away so it's not mirroring too much. See other devices. No other okay, of course. Yeah, we don't have power. It's important that you have powered it on. Okay, so otherwise it doesn't work. Yeah. Let's maybe go back. So we start the Bluetooth thing again. Scan for devices. Yeah, it's still scanning. Hope we can find that. Or is it already out of power again? Yeah, it looks like that's really difficult. So it now gets a little bit crazy. I'm still, yeah, I've checked so many times and I haven't found anything. So I went to the system settings and went to Bluetooth, did a scan, and here it is. Okay, so maybe I have to connect it first here in the system settings. I don't know. So the thing is, usually you have to enter a pin which is 4 times 0 or 1 2 3 4. Even in the description it says try with either one. Yeah, so I'm trying now with, that's a little bit difficult. It's always when you do things at yeah, behind the camera, it's really difficult. You have to make sure that your camera gets everything and you still have to type. So I'll try again. 1 2 3 4 and okay. Let's see. So looks it didn't work. So we try with the other code. 1 2 3 4 and okay. And okay, here we have it. So it seems to be 1 2 3 4. Let's go back now to the app. Let's see what happens. We go back to the Bluetooth. And here we have it. So you have definitely to connect it first in the system settings. And hopefully we can see something. Yeah. Okay, we do the same thing here. It's showing, I hope you can see what it's showing. I put it on the side to check if it's showing about same thing. So I let it run for a moment. I hope it's in sync more or less. Yeah, that looks actually pretty good. So voltage is right and the amperes are right. So I have now a consumer attached. That's an LED light, so I turn it off. It should change totally. It goes to 0. I turn it on again. So yeah, absolutely the same. That's really good. So yeah, seems to really work. Yeah, maybe can be an advantage if you have this app, if you want to do really professional research or document some things, but maybe it's even better when you use the PC software, because yeah, it's hard to save files on the mobile phone. So overall it was working. The thing is, what you need definitely the QR code. You need an app to scan the code, like not like this like here, QR code scanner. You need something like this, and I don't know if it really works with an LG phone. For me, it was not working with an LG for some reason. I mean, it's a newer LG device. Actually, I'm really happy. It has a new Android version. I have no clue why it didn't work. So with the Samsung, it was working. If you never have installed external apps, it will ask you to allow installation of unknown sources. I would have liked if they added this to the Android store. Costs just about $30 or so. I'm not 100% sure, but it doesn't cost a lot. So with a professional seller, you should definitely have your app in the App Store or in the Google Play Store, instead of download it from some strange site, and then it brings up, of course, silly error messages which you don't want. So yeah, that's not so good, but finally it worked. You need the code 1234. You have to definitely go to the system settings, then connections, then Bluetooth, and pair the device with 1234. So finally it was working. I'm still happy with the device. It's not a bad thing, and it is really has a nice price tag. It has some minor flaws, but yeah, you can't really complain for $23. Yeah, really still like it. So that's it. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions, just write to the comment section below, and if you like the video, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.